Google may have quietly teased one of the biggest Pixel changes before the official announcement, and surprisingly, it's not focused on cameras, AI, or raw performance. This time, the attention is on a brand new design element known as Pixel Glow, and it might completely change the way Pixel phones look and interact in everyday use. During Google I/O 2026, sharp-eyed viewers spotted something interesting during a short AI presentation. The phone visible in the demo appeared to have a glowing light wrapped around the camera bar. In the beginning, many assumed it was simply an AI-generated animation added for visual effect. However, after people compared it with previous leaks, the design looked far too familiar to dismiss. This illuminated camera bar is now strongly connected to the upcoming Pixel 11 lineup. Based on earlier leaks and screenshots, Pixel Glow is rumored to function as an intelligent notification lighting system, rather than depending only on the screen or vibration alerts. The phone may glow around the camera section whenever notifications appear. Messages, incoming calls, app notifications, or charging updates could all be shown through a light strip placed on the back of the device. And honestly, this has the potential to become one of the most practical Pixel additions in a long time. Many smartphone users are now trying to cut down on screen usage. Constantly waking up the display just to check notifications can become annoying and distracting. Pixel Glow could offer a simple solution. The phone can stay face down while the glowing light provides quick updates without unlocking the device. It may sound like a small upgrade, but sometimes tiny improvements completely change the everyday user experience. What makes this even more interesting is how it gives extra character to the Pixel lineup. In recent years, most smartphones have started looking nearly identical. Flat edges, oversized camera bumps, and simple color options are everywhere. But a glowing camera strip instantly helps the Pixel stand apart from the crowd. Some users are already comparing it to the design language introduced by the Nothing phone lineup. Those phones became popular mainly because of their rear LED lighting system. Still, Google seems to be choosing a different direction here. Instead of covering the entire back panel with flashy lighting, Pixel Glow appears more refined and blended directly into the camera bar. That could allow Google to create a premium appearance without making the phone feel overly gimmicky. Another major detail is that Google appeared to reveal this feature accidentally during a Gemini AI showcase. The first report covering the story originally claimed the device shown was a Pixel 11 model. Later, the article was updated, saying the phone was more likely a Pixel 10 Pro instead. Even after that correction, the glowing camera design remains important. Why? Because leaked settings screenshots connected to the Pixel 11 had already mentioned Pixel Glow before Google I/O even took place. So when a glowing camera strip suddenly appeared during an official Google presentation, it became extremely difficult to treat it as a coincidence. That's exactly why people online are paying close attention right now. The leaks also indicate that Google may offer customization features for Pixel Glow. Different colors, lighting effects, brightness settings, or app-based notification styles could eventually become available. Imagine the camera bar glowing differently for calls, text messages, charging status, or social media notifications. That type of customization could make the Pixel feel far more interactive. And because Google heavily focuses on AI-powered software experiences, Pixel Glow could become even smarter over time. Future software updates may allow the device to recognize notification priority and respond differently based on urgency. That would match perfectly with Google's software-focused strategy. Right now, it's still uncertain which Pixel 11 models will receive this feature. Some rumors suggest Pixel Glow may remain exclusive to premium devices like the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL. Other reports believe Google might also include it on the standard Pixel 11. There's even speculation that a future Pixel 11A could get a simplified version as well. If Google chooses to expand Pixel Glow throughout the entire lineup, it could become the defining identity of Pixel smartphones moving forward. Similar to how the camera island became instantly recognizable on earlier Pixel generations, the glowing camera could evolve into the next signature visual element for Google phones. Timing also plays an important role here. The Pixel 11 lineup is expected to arrive around August 2026 if Google continues following its usual launch schedule. That means additional leaks, renders, and feature details will probably surface over the coming months. But even this early teaser has already generated excitement because it shows Google experimenting again. Smartphone fans have been asking brands to introduce more unique hardware ideas instead of simply boosting performance numbers every year. Pixel Glow feels like one of those uncommon features that successfully combine style with real-world usefulness. It looks eye-catching without appearing excessive. And if Google handles it correctly, Pixel Glow could easily become one of the standout smartphone features of 2026. The bigger question now is whether this glowing design is only the beginning. If Google is ready to visually redesign the Pixel experience, there could be even more surprises arriving with the Pixel 11 series. Stronger AI integration, upgraded cameras, improved displays, and smarter software capabilities are all expected as competition in the smartphone industry continues to grow. For now, though, Pixel Glow is grabbing most of the attention, and honestly, it only took a few seconds from a Google presentation for the entire tech community to start discussing it. More Pixel 11 leaks and updates are expected very soon, so stay tuned for the latest smartphone news, leaks, and comparisons. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for so much watching, guys. See you next time.